Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Anam Rashid from UMT Connected and Stairs and I'm here to explain you कि आप LMS और Zoom को कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं, the licensed version, and you can easily now schedule your meetings on LMS while using Zoom, right? So there's a good news कि अब हमारे पास 40 minutes standard time नहीं रहा, unlimited time है. You can take class for 2-3 hours, even 6 hours or more. And one more thing I want to add here, that invites जो हैं हम वो अब हमें there's no need to send invites to our students. When you're going to schedule a meeting, that will be updated to your students automatically, and that can be viewed by your students and they can join the meeting. Now I'm going to log into my LMS. This is my Moodle and I'm going to click on my courses. This is my course. And now I want to switch on the turn editing on from this action menu, which is already switched on. So I want this is the navigation. I can directly just click on the week. Now I want over here to schedule a meeting with my class. So I'm going to click on add an activity or resource. And over here there is an option of external tool. Double click on external tool. Now you can see we are going to add a new external tool. Over here you can write the class or maybe the assignment or anything you want to write. Activity name, let's just write Zoom online class. And over here you can see this is pre-configured tool. You just have to select on Zoom video conferencing and simply save and display, right? So now you can see that there will be a screen shown to you on LMS. There will be a Zoom screen visible to you, right? So now from here you can schedule a new meeting. Let's just schedule a new meeting. Click on this option and the topic is Stairs Virtual Help Desk Center. You can even write your description the way we used to schedule meetings on the previous version. Just in such a way we are going to schedule the meetings on the new version, the licensed version, right? So if I have a class, let's say it's on tomorrow, that is 10th, and it's 12 p.m. and I can just make it for 2 hours. And keep this in mind, this is very important, that the time zone, you have to keep it Islamabad or Karachi. And do just check this option as well, that is recurring meeting. Recurring meeting means that that particular link can be used repeatedly for 7 to 8 times, right? So you can see that 7 occurrences. This link which we're going to create now is going to be used for 7 times, can be used for 7 times, right? And then recurrence, if you want it to be weekly, so you can make it weekly. And if you have a class on Thursday, then keep it Thursday. Every Thursday for 7 times this link can be used, right? Now over here there's an option of required. You just have to check this option. This is basically for the registration for the students. Whenever they're going to join, before joining they will have a message that you have to register to this meeting, right? So they're going to register themselves and then they can join. So we have other options as well. You can just simply click on this option, record the meeting automatically on the local computer or in the cloud. Again, it's up to you. Let's do it on the local computer. And then the purpose of this record the meeting automatically, I'm just selecting this option. The reason is that Normally when we are during our class, we just forget, at times we just forget to click on record, right? So now we're going to, over here we have just uh, make some changes in the settings so that it should be, by default we can just simply record our classes or lectures, right? So after all this, I'm going to save the changes. Now you can see we have an option of delete this meeting, we have an option of edit this meeting, and we have an option of start this meeting, right? So whenever we want to start the meeting, we can just simply click on start. And this link has been created. Now if we want that how the students can view it, so I am going to just switch my role to a student. And now you can see we need to edit this option. Islamabad, Karachi over here as well. Going to update it. Now you can see that there is a meeting with Stairs Virtual Help Desk Center, that is tomorrow, right? And there are many other meetings, a list of other meetings which can be viewed by the student. They just have to simply click on join and they can join the meeting, right? So this was as a student I can view these meetings.